Hello students, welcome to the online classes. In this video, we'll study the last chapter of chemistry, air and atmosphere. Air is a mixture of gases that is present all around us. All gases present in the air are in the gaseous state of matter. Air is considered to be a matter as occupies and has mass. We cannot see air as it is colorless and transparent. We cannot even smell air as it is odorless. But we can feel the air when the wind blows. We switch on the fan or keep our fingers below the nose when we breathe out. All living things need to live. Without air, there would be no life on earth. Occurrence of air. Air is found everywhere. It is present in the atmosphere, in water, in soil, and every corner of our rooms, empty glasses and cups. Air is present in all the places that we can think of. It occupies all the empty space that is available. Air in the atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air which extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth, called the atmosphere. The atmosphere has 5 layers. The density of air is maximum in the layer that is nearest to the surface of earth. It decreases as we go higher up in the atmosphere. There is no air in space. The air present in our atmosphere is necessary for the survival of living things. All changes in weather also takes place due to the air in the atmosphere. Now we'll study about air in water bodies. Air is present in water bodies around us in dissolved form. Some gases in the air are soluble in water to some extent and dissolve in water. These dissolved gases impart taste to water. The dissolved oxygen and carbon dioxide in water are very important for the survival of plants and animals that live in water. Air in the soil. Air is found in the spaces between the particles of soil. Many animals that live in the soil use the air to breathe. This trapped air is necessary for the germination of seeds. It makes the soil porous and helps the plant's roots to grow deeper. Now we'll study about composition of air. In ancient times, it was believed that air is a single element. After a series of experiments done by Priestley, it was found in 1774 that air is not an elementary substance but a composition or a mixture of gases. Now we know that air mainly consists of 5 gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon. Other gases that are present in air in very small amounts are helium, neon, xenon, and krypton. Along with these gases, air also contains dust particles and harmful gases that are produced by the burning of fuels. Dust particles can be seen entering the room early in the morning when a beam sunlight enters the room. By volume, dry air contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and small amounts of other inert gases such as helium and neon. Air also contains a varying amount of water vapor. Now we'll study The uses of components of air. Uses of nitrogen. Synthesis of protein. Nitrogen is necessary for growth of plants. Plants use nitrogen for making proteins. They mostly absorb nitrogen from the soil and convert it to proteins. Nitrogen is provided for the better growth of plants by adding fertilizers, which are made by extracting nitrogen from the air. Nitrogen is converted into ammonia, which is used to make fertilizers. Food packaging. Nitrogen gas is filled in the packets of chips, dry fruits, and other oily foods. It prevents the oxidation of food and helps to keep it fresh for a longer period of time. Now we'll study the uses of oxygen. All living organisms, plants, animals, and human beings need oxygen for respiration. It is the process by which digested food is oxidized to release energy. Oxygen is necessary for combustion, the process in which the substance burns in the presence of oxygen to release energy in the form of heat and light is called combustion. All fuels such as wood, coal, LPG, petrol, diesel use oxygen for combustion. Oxygen is used to fill the oxygen cylinders which are carried by the mountaineers, astronauts, and divers, helping them to breathe. Oxygen cylinders are also kept in hospitals for patients who have difficulty in breathing. Now we'll study the uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is needed by plants to prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. In this process, plants prepare glucose using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide does not support burning, and it is a heavy gas. It is used as a fire extinguisher also. Carbon dioxide forms a blanket over burning material, cutting off the supply of oxygen and thus helps to extinguish the fire. It is used in making fizzy drinks. Fizzy or carbonated drinks are made by dissolving carbon dioxide in water under pressure. The dissolved carbon dioxide gives a tangy taste and fizz to the drinks. Uses of water vapor and other noble gases. Water vapor is necessary for life to exist on earth, as it replenishes the fresh water on earth through the water cycle. Weather balloons are filled with helium. Neon is commonly used in glow signs, boards, and street lights. Air pollution. Air pollution is the addition of harmful substances into the atmosphere in quantities that cause harm to humans and other living organisms. The harmful substances that cause air pollution are called air pollutants. Dust, smoke, harmful gases, suspended particulate matter, plants' pollens are some common air pollutants. There are two kinds of air pollution. Natural air pollution. The air pollution caused by smoke from forest fires, gases, and solid particles from volcanic eruptions, plant pollen, and dust storms is termed as natural air pollution. And the second is man-made air pollution. The air pollution caused by human activities, which include the smoke produced by burning fossil fuels, garbage and dry leaves, emission from vehicles, smoke from industries, use of harmful chemicals at home, In agriculture and in industries, dust from construction activities is termed as man-made air pollution. Effects of air dust causes breathing difficulties and eye irritation in human beings. Carbon dioxide causes the temperature of Earth to increase. This is known as global warming also. Unburnt carbon particles and other suspended particles cause breathing difficulties in humans. Smoke mixes with fog in cold weather to form the smog, which reduces the visibility. Chemicals such as CFC deplete the ozone layer, which protect us from harmful UV rays. Prevention of air pollution. It is necessary to prevent air pollution to make the atmosphere safe for our survival and also for the survival of plants and other animals. Some ways to prevent air pollution are: plant more trees, carpool, walk, ride a bicycle or use public transport or school buses, use efficient fuels such as CNG in vehicles, use solar energy by installing solar panels and cells to produce the electricity, turn off the engine of vehicles when standing in traffic or at red light, use LPG for cooking food instead of wood or coal, save electricity by switching off lights, television and other appliances when not in use. So this completes our chapter. Your homework is to learn the exercises of book and question answers given in question answers which you have done in your notebooks. Thank you, students. God bless you.